Hello and welcome to Tip Talk from Iscar's Tech Center. Today Tip Talk is about milling hardened steel, also known as hard milling. Hard milling referring to milling steel parts that are up to 64 Rockwell C hardness and can be also a good alternative to grinding or EDM production methods known to be time-consuming. Hard milling by indexable cutters is very similar to normal machining but requires a different approach. The insert geometry needs to have a ground reinforced cutting edge and a round contour. The grade of the insert needs to have a hard substrate with a suitable coating to withstand the high temperature during machining, compared to similar when machining high temperature alloys such as titanium. Use a tool holder with 4 or more flutes to reduce the chip load. Ensure high rigidity for the workpiece and the tool holder. Maintain cutter engagement with the workpiece to reduce vibration during machining. Also ensure to use a tool holder with minimum runouts. Hydraulic or shrink fit will be an excellent choice. For cooling, only air blast and nothing else. We don't need any thermal cracks. Regarding the cutting condition, use a light width of cut between 25 to 40% of the tool diameter. Use a light depth of cut between 0.15 to 0.4 millimeter. Use low feet per tooth, usually less than the tail end width. All of this will help to control the temperature on the cutting edge while assuring longer tool life, better surface finish, and higher material removal rates when machining hardened steel. Thank you.